This is Mark with Get It Done. I've got to do a job on my Honda. So maybe you have a manual transmission and you want to change out the manual transmission fluid. You've never done it before. I hadn't. And so I had to figure out first where's the fill valve and drain, and then what do you put in it, how do you do it. So let's get it done together. I think I can help you out. Here's some stuff you're going to need. Now, I know that most people already know how to jack up a car, so I'm not going to really go through how do you do that safely and all those things, but I am going to talk about one thing, and that's the vehicle has to be level. So let's do that right now. So I've already jacked up the car pretty good, and you can see the jack stand right there, both of them that are in position. And what I've been doing is just trying to figure out where level is. I counted teeth, counted up to 5. It was too high. Yeah, 4 wasn't even close. When I say 4, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. If I show you where I'm at, I'm still a long way off of level. I'm gonna have to take this down to probably 2. Whatever. 1, 2. That's what I mean. Okay, let's pause. What I figured out is you're gonna have to figure out your terrain and where you're doing this. If your ground is level, if you're on a driveway that's sloped. Because my driveway is sloped, it's causing me problems, and what I'm going to have to do is a 2-step process. One, I'm going to jack this up high enough to get under the vehicle, under the drains, the drain and the fill, take out the fill bolt, and then I think I can get this done, because then I can lower it down to where it's level, plug it back up again. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So here it is. Alright, so I'm down here getting ready to climb underneath, and I'm going to show you where the drain and the fill holes are and what you're going to do to open them up and drain out the fluid. Alright, you can see right there where that drip is coming. That is leftover fluid dripping off of the bottom of the transmission case, and that's right where the drain plug is. Now, it's impossible for me to show you, at least I think it is, I don't know. From this angle, it's going to be really tough to show you where the fill hole is. That's why you want to take off your wheel. Now, I've already drained out my fluid. So I'm just going to show you the drain plug. Notice it's fit for the end of your ratchet. You're just going to pop your ratchet in there, put it on reverse. And I had to break mine free. It was really tough to get it off. Okay, and then here is the 17mm fill hole plug. Notice both of them have a washer, and you don't want to lose that guy. It's a spacer. Makes it so you can tighten it up really good. Don't lose it. So I'm going to go to the wheel side now so that you can see the holes. And then I'm going to help you think about something. Okay. If you look right there, that is the fill hole. And if you look right there, that is the drain hole. Now, when you're draining this fluid, it's going to glug, 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 because there's really nowhere to get air. So the air is going to be fighting the oil to get out. This plug is going to be up inside the hole. You're going to hold it in place and just slightly open the fill hole so that the liquid, so that the transmission fluid will come out quickly, but not splattering everywhere. Once you've got it drained, got to put your plug back in. There's no torque spec. You're just going to tighten it. Guten tighten, the German method. Get that sucker in there. All right, let's put the drain plug back in. You know, I've got a couple different kinds of ratchets. One of them has a button on the back that when I put the socket on, it locks the socket onto it. That's a bad one to use for this job because you're going to put it in this hole, and then how in the heck are you going to get that out of there? You're going to be frustrated with yourself. That's it. That's all you need. Do not over tighten that sucker. You strip that out, you're going to really, really, really be mad with yourself.
So before I can finish this job, I got to be able to level my vehicle. Because I put it on my driveway, I can't do it very easily, but I got to get it done and then I can fill up my transmission. So let's get after it.
1, 2, 3, 4!
To quote Derek, I'll be dipped. Can you believe that? Let's do a little fill job now. I don't have a funnel with a hole that size. So, I don't know, my brain kicked in finally. And I thought, you know what? I don't need to go buy a funnel. Because I want a razor knife. I can also cut my finger off. Let's try and see if something about this was a good idea. First of all, does the hose fit? Oh yeah, it fits so well. That's fantastic. Hose goes into here. I can't do this with stupid camera in the way. Oh, God. Who thought this was a good idea? Oh good, there's no dumb little foil over the top of the hole. I hate that. You know what I mean? When you're here and ready to pour and there's a little foil wrapper, like some kid's gonna open it up and drink it or something. Oh God, I already did this once. You try it, see what happens? Glug, glug, glug. Drink it, me hearties, yo-ho. Oh, it's working. It's working! It's working! Come on, Anakin. Alright. See, there's this law about fluids and whether or not they will flow. Oh no. No. You cannot come out of there. I'll tell you what's wrong is that the end is going up and it's got to go down. This is supposed to be a smart idea. I didn't want to take the time to squeeze it, fill it, squeeze it, all that stuff. I wanted, you know what's bad? Is if you pull this out, guess what? It comes out super fast then. Does anybody think this is a good idea anymore? I'm not thinking it's a good idea. How do you know when you're done? You know you're done when 2 dang quarts is in there. That's how you know when you're done. because that is what the manual says it holds. So I don't even know what to say. You got to tell me if you think that was a good idea or not. I mean, it worked. I got all the fluid into my transmission. You know, that's one way to get it done. Maybe you got a better idea, you know, in the comments. Tell me what you think. Hope you guys have a great day. Hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Appreciate everything that you guys do to make my channel awesome, and hope you have a great day.